Hey, what's up, YouTube? We are back with the exhaust. Oh, yeah. It came today. There it is. Pypes sma40. Go there. That is for your 67 to 74 Mopar A-body, 2.5 inch crossmember back exhaust system with H-bomb H-pipe, 409 stainless. No mufflers because we got the Flowmasters. Got the competition engineering rear shocks installed the other day. That stiffened up the rear quite a bit. I got it set on the softest position right now. No more flex. That thing used to bounce like crazy. The front still does because I ain't done those yet. But we get those 3-way adjustables for the front too. Electric fan came in Monday. So we got that mounted in there. All I gotta do is wire it. Very, very close, I'll tell you what. I had to offset it just a hair so it'd clear the pulley there. But we got her. When I first put it in there, I didn't think it was gonna fit. I had to take the fan off the shroud and flip it around, mount it on the shroud backwards. That way it sit in further. That's a good eBay score though. Electric fan, aluminum shroud. It's like 90 bucks. So, yeah. We're gonna wire that up today and we're gonna get into this exhaust. So, yeah. We'll get this open. Order this for Summit. We had 5 of them in stock. Everybody else was like, oh, you gotta drop ship straight from Pypes to get them. It's gonna be like early January. I called Summit up, and Summit's like, yeah, we got 5 of them in Texas. Go ahead and ship that. Pretty good packing. Everything's laid in there pretty nice. Even comes with a hat, some stickers. You know, stickers, they have like 10 horsepower. So here we got installation instructions with a QR code. Looks like one pipe sticker. It's really sunny here, guys. Sorry about that. It's kind of hard to see. Close the garage door. That'd probably help. There we go. Now we can see. Nice Pypes Performance exhaust hat. You got a Velcro band on the back. Let's see. There's one of your long tubes with the, it's got the bend for the axle. Got 2 of those. Here's our H pipe. Oh yeah, that's nice. got them on both sides. Nice TIG welds. Oh yeah. See if we can see down in there. The camera to focus. It's not going to. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's see. Comes with. This is a no muffler kit. I thought about getting the violator kit, and then I looked at the construction of the violators, and I didn't really like it. It looked more like a turbo muffler with no packing. Thought that's gonna sound real tinny. A couple of sauce. Let's see. What's that? It's just stitching. Pretty sure it comes with tips. Could be wrong. Get this box of hardware opened up here. A bunch of hardware. And, okay, yep. Looks like we got tips in there too. Get this up here to the bench. Counting these exhaust clamps. So it comes with 12 exhaust clamps. Just like we got some self tappers. Oh, it comes with hangers. Nice. Oh, well, hell yeah, it comes with new hangers. So there was no tips in there. It was just exhaust hangers. Comes with universal hangers, and it comes with 2 tailpipe hangers too. So you got these, put your tailpipe on there. That we don't have. You don't want your exhaust system fully welded and stiff and solid, because I mean, the car flexes, so you want the exhaust to flex and move around. But yeah, that's what's in the kit. 12 exhaust clamps, a little bit of hardware, like self tappers, so you can install the hangers, the H pipe. And that little bit of stainless right there. Wasn't bad. It's like $500, I think. I had some Summit bucks, and they had $5 off on the app, so saved a little bit of money on it. But yep, we'll I'm gonna wire this fan up, and then we'll probably get started on that exhaust. I know everybody wants to hear the car though, right? You want to hear the car run, don't you? Here's our 8 3/4. My garage ain't no cleaner than anybody else's. I'll tell you what. We go camping during the summer. That's what that is. It's our camping splash. 8 3/4. I believe. I know it's a 276 with an open diff. I want to say it's a 489 case. It is a 741. So, yeah. 741. Let's see. This is the wiring harness that comes off the fan. Let me get that up out of the way. I'll give you a little start. Alright, I'm going to grab the zip tie. Just zip tie that harness up out of the way. I ain't got to run the car very long. You guys just want to hear it run, don't you? Do that backwards. Always remember, folks, positive first. My ignition switch has a, I think it has a ground issue. I'm guessing it's that one right there for the body. And you go over there and clean it up, get a better ground on it. But makes the starter act a little funny. Sometimes it starts just fine. Sometimes it doesn't get like, I don't know, a full connection, so it grinds, kind of weird. And it starts just fine off the button. Oh yeah, Harbor Freight has these on sale right now for $10. There we go. I haven't started it. I've been 24 hours, so not that long. Let's key it. Oh, keys in it. Let's see if it'll start off the key. Got the open exhaust right now. Yeah. So we're gonna get this fan wired up, and then we'll move on to this exhaust. I don't know if I'll get it done today or not. Might be tonight, tomorrow night project, maybe. Kids get out of school here pretty soon, so we'll see. Probably make we'll make 2 videos out of this. We'll do the unboxing on the exhaust, and then we'll do an installation on the exhaust. Sounds good. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We're going to do a bunch more videos. This thing's going to be fun. She's about ready to go, guys. Getting the registration done this week. Took her for a couple drives, but not too far for the house though. Up to the gas station, down to the reservoir. We'll walk around real quick. Yeah. There's a razor peeking at us. All right, thanks, guys.